You want to be careful though with this option right here called Trim Images. Trimming the images will mean that any empty areas in your canvas will not be exported as a layer. And you may find that your overall layout looks quite different. So we're actually going to deselect Trim Images. That way every image, even placeholder areas of our canvas, will now be exported as a layer. Again, if you want to put your images in a subfolder, you can do that. And if you want to browse for where you would like to place those images, notice when this time I choose the Browse button, I can actually access a specific directory where I want to save these images. Let's save these images in a separate folder this time, just so that we can set them apart from our standard imagery. I'm going to create a new folder. Let's go ahead and call this CSS Images, and we'll open that folder and select it. Again, this is optional. All we need to do next is go back into the Options menu, and you'll notice you have the same HTML setup options that we had for when we exported our HTML and imagery. So you can choose an HTML style and an extension. You can also choose, of course, this time the table option is quite irrelevant because we're not working with tables, we'll be working with layers. But in this case too, you can also choose how you would like to export, have Fireworks export and name each of the slices. And notice that the last options we chose are still intact. So let's click OK. We'll choose Save again, only this time let's change the file name so we don't overwrite our original file. Let's go ahead and call this Layers. We'll click Save.